Hey yo, seen the good, bad and ugly. Thought that was your homie, but he fold. Plot to throw shots through your rugby. Married to the game, but do she love me? Chasing street fame, I had you locked in the box with a wild bunkie. Seen dirty dough from foul junkies. You either starve or pile money, feed your family, leave your child hungry. Funny style niggas roll with the crowd, don't keep them clouds among me. Every devil come with a smile, tryna dap and hug me, tryna disguise your ulterior motives. But I notice sometimes you gotta watch the ones you keep the closest. Peep the vultures, rotten soil can't grow shit. Ain't nothing changed, guns, gangs, drugs and overdoses. 8 million stories in these corners, half of them are hopeless. Looking for love in a place where hate's the main focus. Money is dirty, I swear I see so many niggas. Don't believe them when they say that they would handle your business, ain't nobody gonna. For real. We out here living at a rapid pace. Mama said it's 2 ways the grave, but stuck in front the magistrate. I told myself a couple more flips, stack it, I'll be straight. But it's hard to quit when them chips banging at your gate. We play for high stakes and risk it all. And lust with dreams of being rich and trying to ball, but that vision falls. Seen too many niggas fall, I done slipped too. Locked behind the wall, making calls that never get through. Your bitch dip, your so-called homies is MIA. But everybody your best friend when you was frontin' them, yay. Passing back-to-back blunts around, spilling rosé. Forget you when you down, but when you up, everybody gon' say they nah, live for me. I'd rather see you shine and be out here to take care of your kids, homie. 8 million stories on these corners, half of them are hopeless. Looking for love in a place where the hate's the main focus. Money get dirty, I swear I've seen so many niggas. Don't believe them when they say that they will handle your business, ain't nobody gonna. For real.